It is for me a great pleasure to welcome you all on behalf of the autonomous Friuli Venezia Giulia region here at our institutional headquarters in Trieste.
I want to take this opportunity to give the North Adriatic region an open invitation to the UAE to come and see what we have established, to come and see what opportunities are there, to come and actually the investment environment, the ease of doing business, the potential opportunities for having a future hydrogen economy.
The UAE will lead a process for all parties to agree upon a clear roadmap to accelerate progress to a pragmatic global energy transition and a leave no one behind approach to inclusive climate action.
GMIS Connect Trieste Roadshow, we can lay the foundation of a successful partnership between Friuli Venezia Giulia region and the United Arab Emirates for the creation of a sustainable, energy-efficient future.
The Friuli Venezia Giulia region and Trieste was the perfect backdrop for our discussions on green hydrogen. As we prepare for our participation at COP28, it is extremely important that we gather global effort to drive in sustainable manufacturing practices.